Wagwan, man, you're tuning into Click React, and today we're going to be looking at a video from Jubilee. It's always that 6 this, 1 not. So this one is 6 tall men versus 1 short guy. Short king. I don't know why they had to put that in there. You're short, you're short. It doesn't matter. Guys, if you're new to the channel, hit the sub button, drop a like. Let me know if you got the short guy out, man, because, you know, I kill these games, man. I don't know what it is. It's an instinct. It is what it is, man. I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace. Alright, just looking at these guys, I think that guy in the red is the short one. Him, yeah.
There was actually a tie between Josiah and Carter.
I mean, I grew up in a tall family, played sports all my life. Struggled with like finding clothes that fit right because I was always super tall and skinny. Couldn't really find a good car.
That guy in the red is definitely the short guy.
All the cars that didn't really fit in well, and so that took forever to find. Everyone would always walk up and ask me like, "Oh, hey, how would you get so tall?" Or "Dang, you're so tall." And I'm like, "Yeah, I am." Like, I don't know how to respond to you. Or, "Yeah, I'm tall." Okay.
I had a job as a day stalker at a grocery store, and all these nice little like old ladies would come up to me and they'd make me like get the water bottles for them off the shelves that are too tall for them.
I mean,
Also,
ladies
I
do
don't
that to
say
me
my
too.
full height because I'm 6'4" and a half, but I feel like that's cheating, so I just usually leave that to myself. I feel like that's bragging because like saying you're 6'9" is kind of bragging too.
What? That's not.
That was a straight.
Oh, wait.
I'm rounding down too. I'm actually almost 6'10". I just say 6'9" for the jokes.
Okay, I don't believe it. That guy is 6'10". 6'10" with that body stature that he has, I don't think he's 6'10". So the guy in the red or that chubby guy?
Me too. We're all like us.
We all do that.
Yeah.
So, like you were talking earlier about like your leg length.
Who's me?
Yeah. What is your guys' like shirt size too?
And shoe size.
And shoe size too.
We know it's not you. Let's start here.
Let's start
I'll
with
go
the
down.
freak.
I am tall to the point where I have to duck under a lot of door frames.
I don't believe it.
The doctor said I'm probably going to hit like 6'11", 7 foot by the time I'm finished completely.
I wear a size 16 shoe.
I don't believe it.
I
With
wear
that
a
weight,
4
he would be a
XL tee,
monster.
So 4 XL tall. My leg length is only like a 34, 32.
I wear a 11 and a half shoe, XL shirt.
I wear size 14 shoe. I wear extra large shirts, and my pants are 34, 34.
I'm 34, 32. I actually wear size 12. I'm a runner, so I'm really thin, so I can actually fit in.
That guy has a short
I'm a 31
torso.
waist, 32 length. I feel like I've been a 32 length for a while. Like I sprouted in like high school and kind of stayed the same height.
Because he's
forever.
shorter than everybody sitting down.
Yes, 6 foot. And then my shoe size, I'm a 10.
Dale was very fishy with his answers.
The size 10 was a little too small.
A
I
lot?
thought he was lying about that. He said he wore size 10.
I know you guys are probably thinking, oh, 10, he is the short king. I promise you I'm not.
That
I'm
all
just,
adds up,
you guys
though.
are just
6
all
foot
very,
is,
very tall.
yeah.
I'm like averagely tall.
So for me,
What's up?
nothing.
Everybody was talking about, they were like, oh, I'm a size 14.
He
and
definitely is a
I was
short
like,
guy, bro,
"They're
right?"
gonna think it's me because I'm a size 10, and I was the smallest.
Like I said, 36 by 36. Shoe size 14.
I'm probably the heaviest one. I'm 375 pounds.
I'm
Yeah,
235.
600
How much do you weigh?
190.
6'2", 165.
375
I'm
at
real
6'10"?
thin.
But if you run, that's.
I mean, I run
Bullshit.
marathon, so I mean, I'm.
I do not. What about Carter and Dale?
But he is
I already
tall,
said
though.
I'm 150.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, I'm
Oh,
185.
man.
It's really iffy on this, like left side for me.
Yeah, for me too. Like,
Carter,
I'm
I think
like,
the
how
right
tall
side.
are you?
6'4".
Oh, okay.
Dale, you're 6 foot, right?
Yeah, I'm the shortest of all of you guys, but I am not the short king, is what I'm trying to say.
So what are you saying that you're actually just 5'10"?
No. Wait, to that, wasn't there someone over here in the middle that said they add inches on their dating profile?
There was. It was.
I am 6 feet true, through and through true.
You said you add an inch to your dating profile. Is it because, how tall are you again? 6'1"?
6'1". But the thing is, there's no, you could get away with that.
But why do you need to add? If you're already 6'1", that's pretty tall to me.
The reason why I add is because in real life I'm insecure. So like,
What?
Dude, I'm tall and I'm insecure. That's because I'm ugly.
yeah, but
Hey,
like
that makes sense.
Isn't gonna like, it isn't gonna define.
So why do you need to add it then?
Say that to my
I don't
girlfriend.
He's deflecting.
He was deflecting, and then he was deflecting back, and it was like, I know it's not the guy to my left, but I'm
There's no way
guessing
this
it's
guy's
probably
6'10",
Dale.
bro.
That's true. That's what I'm saying. I think Dale is deflecting.
Wait, I'm deflecting? He's the one that literally said
I said
unprovoked that
something
he adds
the first
inches.
round that you didn't say until the second round.
No, I brought it up the second round because we were going in order the last time. I'm just throwing things out.
They're gonna vote the short. I think that guy in the red, he might actually be the 6. Wait. Or wait, it's the guy beside him because he looks extra tall. Maybe they gave him a booster seat. So, yeah, we know he's gonna get voted out.
Come on, y'all.
I'm going with the fat guy, the guy in the blue shirt. Now.
So tall.
I feel like they voted for me because I honestly don't know why they voted for
You
me.
said shit that doesn't relate to them as being such tall guys. Yes.
1, 2, 3.
What kind of cars do you guys drive?
I don't actually drive. I don't drive at all because I can't fit in a car. I used to have an Audi, and then I had
don't
an
think that's because
Expert,
you're
and I was
tall,
like, oh, that's not happening.
I also don't drive. I get a friend to drive
You
me.
fitting in an
and
Audi
it
would
was
be
a
harder.
convertible.
Like he can't be driving.
Kia
You need a big
Sorento
truck.
got a lot of headspace.
Those Kias actually do have good.
They-
things.
They're
I
fine.
think that
It's
you're
like,
the mall.
all right, you guys
Even
can see it,
short
but
is
it's
a
got
lot.
like a dome at the top.
You're taking up a
You
lot
got
of room.
of
It's so
headspace.
Okay, how old are you?
I'm actually 40.
You're 40 years old?
I'm 40 years old. Kid you not. Been married for 11 years to a 5'4" Filipino girl.
Okay. How old are you or the other guy going down the line?
24.
Last guy, besides me.
Oh, I am 22.
All right, if the game was Old King, I would win.
You're both half Filipino, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
I have a lot of Filipino friends. I don't think
They're
I've
not
ever
tall.
met one that's like over 5. Like,
Yeah.
Because we're half white. At least I'm half white. I don't know.
Is it a race thing? Because I'm African American, tall. Does that count for anything?
you said that you ran marathons, didn't you?
I do.
You're 40 years old. You run marathons. You're.
Hey, now you're just being ageist, dude.
You're
There's
160.
a lot of old people out there running marathons. Trust
That's
me. I
true.
do run, but apparently that was unbelievable.
Carter,
He doesn't
what
look
was
tall.
what was your shirt size thing? Yeah, you said the extra large is
Extra large or
Why
extra
don't you like
large
them?
tall, yeah.
extra large. They're long enough, but they're way too wide on me, and large aren't quite long enough, but
Why,
they fit me around my like torso, right?
Like, I know you can't see me, but I'm wearing a fairly baggy shirt right now.
Carter and VJ. Well, I feel like it's one of you two.
Okay.
That's how I feel.
I said, okay, if that's how you feel. I feel like this gets so personal so fast. How did that voting work? Oh, wow. I don't think it's him. No, definitely, he's tall. I think it's the guy in the blue shirt. Not the bigger guy. Oh, shit.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, he wants to keep playing. the whole
I'm a
time.
little frustrated. People wouldn't really listen to me.
The box turns green. The 4 people in the box have won and voted for the block of red.
It's gonna be VJ.
Telling you, it's that guy in that floral shirt.
Well, that's nerve wracking.
I know. Tim. It's definitely a guy in. I don't think he's out. And I definitely think it's the guy in the
Oh my gosh.
thingy shirt because he looks propped up to me. Wait. Wait, it's the black guy? Wait, it's the black guy.
Hey guys.
Oh wait, what? I was
Oh,
right.
this is embarrassing. God.
Your answers
Wow.
were really good.
I told you it was VJ.
I was with
I think he
you.
was quiet the first round, and I was like,
I'm just glad there's another Filipino here to bounce off of.
I was very surprised. I think him sitting on those bags made it.
Yes,
hard.
because
I was like
the
listening and
sound.
I
I
Yeah,
thought I was
I thought
right
about that too.
100% of the time.
Like,
You
if they
don't
put him
take
tall
things for
enough.
granted when you're tall, so.
Being Filipino, I'm average size. So I don't
Which
think that
is-
I've ever actually been short. But being a short king, it's great. Clothes are cheaper, shoes are easier to find. I can get in a Honda Civic just fine. There's nothing wrong with that. Oh snap, that's a lot of ones.
Damn, he won the money. That's crazy. I did pick other people, but at the end I did go with him. So I think I did still win. Let me know how you guys did, man. I'll see you guys later.